The Dust Bowl was the name given to the Great Plains region, which was devastated by the drought in the 1930s, which was a 150,000 square mile area going through Oklahoma, Texas, Kansas, Colorado, and New Mexico. The Great Plains had little rainfall, light soil, high winds, and when the drought from 1934 to 1937 struck the Great Plains, it created black blizzards. Recurrent dust storms created chaos by choking cattle and ruining pasture lands and driving 60% of the population out of the region. These people became known as Okies, who went to agricultural areas first and then moved to cities, typically in the far west. The Dust Bowl was caused by ranchers and farmers who were driven by the American agricultural expansion and aggressively exploited the land, which created ecological disaster. Most early settlers used the land for livestock until agricultural advancements combined with high grain prices enticed the farmers to plow millions of acres of natural grass to plant wheat. The solution to the Dust Bowl by the federal government was to create several New Deal agencies. For example, the Soil Conservation Service, which was formed in 1935, was designed to promote farm rehabilitation. Locally, the government instructed farmers to plant trees and grass to acre the soil, to plow and terrace in contour patterns to hold rainwater, and to allow portions of farmland to lie unused each year so the soil could regenerate. The government also purchased 11.3 million acres of land to keep it out of production. By 1941, much of the land was rehabilitated. The Dust Bowl created a cultural response from artists like Dorothy Lang and Woody Guthrie and John Steinbeck, who laminated the American economic spirit that had created the disaster. To them, the Dust Bowl signified the destruction of the old Jeffersonian ideal of harmony with nature.